Hello and welcome. David Bradley here. I'm here to talk about my PT Cruiser experience, and it has improved. I went outside, I took the cover off the fuses. I did reconnect the battery terminal that I had disconnected so everything would reset. And then, of course, the thing says, refer to the manual. So I came in and looked at the manual that I had sitting on the screen there, and kept looking and looking and looking and looking, and here and there and everywhere. And finally determined that indeed there was a place there should be empty that took a big fuse. I don't mean big in terms of the value, although it is bigger, but it's not just a skinny little not micro, mini fuse. It's more of a square kind of a thing. Anyway, I did find that very close to where I'd been. I took all the fuses out, all of them, one at a time, put them back in. Anyway, I had put one fuse into something that said empty, which I did not realize, and the one that was very close by that had all the stuff to do with the all-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive, traction control and anti-lock braking and stuff was very close. Anyway, I have switched it. It is fine. There are no more idiot lights going on the PT Cruiser. Now, I haven't checked the cigarette lighter thing, but I'm sure it doesn't work. At some point, I will do a video to show my workaround so that I can still charge things. And at some point, I'll do a video on my more permanent workaround. But also at some point, I will pull the cigarette lighter receptacle out and have a look at that and see what I can find. I will. Anyway, so that's a quick update on the PT Cruiser and its electrical systems. Oh, I did, and I need to phone another Canadian Tire. I did find the paint code for this car. I did. And one would think I would have it right here, but I don't have it right here, which if I thought of it, I would. But anyway, the Canadian Tire I went to did not have it, but supposedly another one does. But it's not that close. So before I go all the way down there, I'm going to phone them and say, hello, I've told you have this. And no, I don't want you to just tell me that your stock numbers say that you do. I would like you to go to the shelf and ensure that it's there, and indeed grab a can, set it aside because I'm on my way. Because I don't want to go, I've had this happen before. Oh yeah, we got it. Yeah, great. Our inventory says we got it, and you get there and it's like, oh, gee, there aren't any on the shelf. Oh, that's too bad. Anyway. All right, well, that's it for now. That's a quick update. Amazing what happens when you put fuses in the right place. Imagine. Oh, did I do that? Oh. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. I'll keep you posted. Bye for now.